Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my new and interesting video. Today's video you will learn a lot of things in this video. So today's video's topic is uh, ask question for yourself. So you will learn a lot of things. Watch this video and enjoy this video.
Hey Kunal,
Yes, how are you?
I am fine. Can you please tell to our audience and me that how can I make sentences while speaking?
Yes, this is very great question. So I will say that I always say that story. That in my video I always say that read story. So read story. What is the benefit to read story? That benefit is you can speak English by story. So when you just read story, when you just listen, you have some stock word. Your brain have some stock word. So in this stock word, so you can mix a lot of sentence, lots of word you can know by story. So uh, when we just practice story or etc thing, so if we did not do practice, so anything we cannot do. So practice and story, it very important, it very dependent to speak English by in story. The story is very important. So like when you just read story and there are lot of word, lot of new word in have story. There are a lot of word have story. So you can just if you have remember some word, so you can also can speak English like thing. Just practice, you just read story like 20 times, 13 times, 50 times. So then you just copy all over the story. So then you just try to speak it. So when you just try to speak it, like then you can realize that you have some stock word, and you just speaking, you can speak English. So like that, some or small you can speak English, but it is when you just practice it, it is grow very big. So this is the thing. How to make sentence? Think that this is a tree. This is a tree that first you remember. Remember that what is the tree's color and how many branches in this tree, how many leaves in this tree. So first you just small question you just make. So then when you just make it, so just you learn lot of things. But you cannot, you just thinking that it is very small thing, we know that, but not. If you just if you just start a small thing, so you can also like develop your speaking skills. You just also can learn a lot of things. So this is the question to question. You have another question?
Yes, this question is very great. First of all, thank you. And can you tell me that how and now Kunal, I have another question.
Yes, tell.
This question is that what mistake we do to learn English?
Yes, this is very great question. So many people just do this mistake. I noticed that. Like when they try to speak English, they did not do practice. They just the small knowledge is very dangerous. I will say that they also just try to speak it like they just practice one time, two times, and they just try to speak English, but not. It is not. When they practice one time, so you cannot do everything. When anything, when like I will say some example. So I will give some example, like when a boy rides cycle in new, just he in this time he just fall down. When he try to push the pedal, he just fall down. So he just practice lot of time, lot of time. Then he just start like two times, three times, 15 times. Then he just then he just properly ride cycle. And when he just try one time, he did not ride cycle any time. So this is the thing. So practice lot of time in your house. So try to practice time what you practice, like in front of mirror you're talking about yourself. What did you do yesterday? What do you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow? Like this words you just practice whole over thing. So then you your confidence also build up, and you can speak English like when somebody came to you, just try to question you, you just hesitate in this time. So your hesitateness also remove, and then your awkwardness also you remove, and then you can speak English like a native people. So this is the thing. So guys, if you like this video, so subscribe also my channel, and if you new in this channel, so also like and press the hit the bell icon and subscribe also. So thank you for watching. Bye.